Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad using fruit cocktail with Buko. To begin, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 1 large can of fruit cocktail, about 30 ounces, and 1 cup of fresh Buko strips. Also, prepare 1/2 cup of condensed milk and 1 cup of all-purpose cream. Make sure all your ingredients are well chilled for the best results. This easy method ensures a delightful dessert. Now, let's get to the mixing. First, carefully drain all the syrup from your fruit cocktail. This step is crucial for preventing a watery salad. Next, in a large mixing bowl, gently combine the drained fruit cocktail with your fresh Buko strips. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of condensed milk and 1 cup of all-purpose cream. These ingredients will create a rich and creamy base. Once all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix them thoroughly. Use a spatula to gently fold everything together until the fruit is evenly coated with the creamy dressing. Now, give it a quick taste test. If you prefer a sweeter salad, feel free to add a little more condensed milk. Finally, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight. After chilling, your delicious Buko fruit salad is ready to be served. Give it a final gentle stir before scooping it into individual bowls. For an extra touch, you can garnish each serving with a few fresh Buko strips or a vibrant cherry. This simple recipe yields approximately 6 generous servings and is perfect for family gatherings, parties, or just a refreshing treat on a warm day. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.